Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you chicken nishime. Heat a medium-sized pot and add in the oil. When the oil lightly smokes, add in the chicken and saute for 2 minutes. Then add in the konnyaku, gobo, and shiitake mushrooms and saute for another 2 minutes. Add in the chicken stock, shoyu, and sugar. Stir well and simmer for 30 minutes. Add in the carrots, araimo, bamboo shoots, and konbu and simmer for another 30 minutes. Serve hot in the broth. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.